everyone and thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Today we shall compare two well-known Bluetooth speakers of the same company, the JBL Clips 3 and the JBL Go 2. So let's see which one of these devices is better and suits you more. First of all, let's see what do they have in common. Both speakers are water resistant, IPX7 certified, so they are protected against immersion in water for up to 30 minutes to a depth of 1 meter. Both devices can be used as phone speakers and have the auto power off feature. They come in a small box with only a micro USB cable included and have a 3.5mm audio input. As a downside, none of the speakers have a battery level indicator and neither NFC for quick pairing. Now let's see the main differences between these devices. From our point of view, there are two important differences between these speakers. The first is that JBL Clips 3 is rated at 10 hours of playing time and has a charging time of about 3 hours, unlike JBL Go 2, which is rated at only 5 with a charging time of 2 hours. And the second one is that JBL Clips 3 has more output power than Go 2, so obviously Clips 3 is louder. The sound control buttons of JBL Clips 3 are easier to use as they are located on the speaker grill. And one more important difference is that Clips 3 is more portable as it has a built-in carabiner, which is really handy when you carry the speaker out. Now let's see which speaker sounds better. Both devices are mono speakers and have a 40mm driver, but the sound of the Clips 3 is more powerful and has a stronger bass level. Also, JBL Clips 3 has more clear highs and mids. But what is important is that at maximum volume both speakers do not distort the sound. So I think the sound quality of the JBL Clips 3 is slightly better than one of Go 2. And choosing one over the other is just a matter of how much money do you want to spend on a small portable speaker. Now please put your headphones in order to better notice the difference. So if you are looking for a compact and portable device with good sound performance, then you'll surely not be disappointed by neither of them, as they are well-made speakers. But if you can afford the price difference, we recommend buying the Clips 3 over the Go 2, because the first one is a more advanced speaker with a better sound and battery life, and is more portable. So what do you think? Which one of them would you buy? Please comment below and let us find out. Also, if you enjoy our video, give us a like and hit subscribe button to see future reviews. Thanks and have a great day.